One thing about Lagos is the traffic in Lagos is going to be one of the biggest problems a lot of people don't understand. Let us break away from Nigeria peacefully so that we can move into a nation that is working for everybody, working for myself and you. A Yoruba Nation is the best option and there is no going back. My name remains Olayomi Koiki, and there's so much that can be done when we have a nation that is working. Education, welfare, security, good healthcare system, all these are areas that we need to look into. Tẹ́bá wo ẹ̀yìn mi nísìn, ẹ rí pé ìlú Èkó la wà tí ìyà ń jẹ ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire. Tó bá jẹ́ pé a bá dá dúró ni aláǹfààní àti máa tọ́jú gbogbo àwọn èèyàn. Àmọ́yé èèyàn gan tó wà l'Ékòó, but Èkó nísìn wọ́n ní 20 million. Kò ní good healthcare, kò ní security, kò ní welfare, kò tọ́jú ará ilé, kò tọ́jú ará ìta. Ihun tí mò ń sọ ni pé àsìkò ti tó, ẹ jẹ́ ká dá kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà. A ti lè dá dúró fúnra wa, a need anybody. Àwa lè dá dúró. Orúkọ tèmi á máa jẹ́ Ọláyọmí Kóìkì tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ sí Koikimedia.